you stood for us till we got into NIFT. Lots of people asked me like, "Are you from designer, Shala?" I scored really low marks in drawing. The situation test preparation literally helped me a lot. Like, if you're not here, I won't be here. I won't be this person. Yeah, that's the best decision I have made. Designer Shala is like a home for me.
How does it feel to be studying in your dream fashion school?
It's
Yeah.
really awesome. Feeling, the whole feeling itself, like dream come true moment. And yeah, it's going great.
Lovely, lovely. I remember you telling me that you want to get into NIFT Chennai and that's your goal and you want to go to Chennai and you've manifested it, it looks like it.
Yeah, like it
Yeah.
feels like a dream.
I am so proud of you and so happy for you, Vidhaya. For me, every student wanting to get into NIFT is like a personal mission that I want to make sure that you get in. But one student who I've seen so diligently work with me in the last 1 year and shown up, made all the corrections each time feedback was shared has to be you. You really worked very, very hard for this to happen. And I'm so
Thank you
proud.
so much.
I'm so proud that you got that opportunity to actually be at, have that chance to choose NIFT Chennai as your center and get the course you wanted to get. And I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dee. Today also I was like attending DDC class and I was like, how come I'm here? It was like I can't really believe my own eyes. Like if you're not here, I won't be here. I won't be this person.
Oh, I am so happy for you, Vidhaya, and I'm so grateful that all of you trust me with this process and let me guide you along this journey. And you believe in Designer Shala enough to show up. So tell us a little about your experience learning with us. How are your classes? How are your sessions? How did it help you with your entrance preparation? Because 60,000 students and getting a rank of your choice, getting into a center of your choice, it takes hard work.
Yes, the I'm from a village. My schools doesn't really taught like much co-curricular and thing, and drawing was not a subject over there. And it was kind of hard for me. I took physics, chemistry, and mathematics, so it was really hard for me to manage both because my parents. I literally tried a lot to convince my parents. Really, for 2 years, I was trying to convince them. Finally, they agreed. From ninth grade, I was dreaming of getting into NIF, and also we have lots of songs, and they like in movies also we do see the college. So I was like hearing that song every day, imagining, manifesting that I would be there soon. And yeah, first year was hard because I couldn't crack NEF that year. I was completely feeling low, but then I again took that step and joined Designer Shala and trusted you guys. And yeah, that's the best decision I have made because I have seen many of my friends from Designer Shala who couldn't crack the NIFT entrance on the first go. They have chose another institute, but they didn't make that much. So I was like, okay, I have made a best decision in my life, and yeah, finally I'm now
We have
here.
a few kids that I also personally know who chose Designer Shala the first time. They got an under 1500 rank,
Hmm.
but they said they want a better rank, so they went to other institutes and then they sat there. And then now this year, I had three such students who I personally know who reached out saying their rank is in 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, and now they're looking at private colleges and I had told them to just pick up because they were getting centers. 1,500 is a very good rank to get a good center, but yeah. But life happens.
Yeah,
So
and
how has your learning process been with Designer Shala?
it was really awesome. And the main best thing I enjoyed is design marathon. The last 7 days, it was just awesome. That's the highlight of that because that's the one thing which made everyone excel. Because on the last 7 days, we would be before the exam, we would be really low, feeling low and all. But that one really helped us a lot. And also, we already had lots of demo classes, which includes live drawing with color pencils and all. It really helped a lot because understanding the blending theory and all with the color pencil, it's literally hard because not everyone know the basics and all, but
Mm.
it really helped everyone who, even a person who couldn't draw can draw because on the CAD part in designer shala no one literally cared about the way we draw, but it mainly focuses on the creative thinking, the way you present your idea. So that's the one thing I literally loved there. And also coming to the CAD portion, It was like, yeah, GK, you guys send like many worksheets. It really helped a lot. And then for aptitude, ma'am, literally the best because we used to hit like lots of questions to her, but she would like patiently clears all our doubts. That's super awesome. And then situation test preparation. It's like a dream for everyone because you are the one who will be teaching situation test. Because for me, I scored really low marks in drawing because I skipped a question.
Oh,
When I was seeing a question, I just got stressed and so I couldn't manage my time better. I just roughly draw something. So my score was around 25 for CAT and my
okay.
GAT was good because I was continuously taking mock tests and all. It was good. It was around 13 or 14. But coming to situation test, because that's the game changer, I have to score a good rank. And there came you, the very first class I can still remember all the things you said, the very basic one, and also lots of seniors from NIFT also joined, and they are also teaching the things, and the way you corrected everyone, literally give reviews to each and everyone, even if it reaches night 12 a.m., you would be like, it's okay. I'll just review everyone's work. And the way you personally give feedbacks to everyone in the Google Classroom also, it literally helped me a lot. The situation test preparation literally helped me a lot. And
Yeah,
also, you stood for us till we got into NIFT. Like, we will be hitting you with all our questions, even in the midnight or in the early morning. You will always be like, okay, I'll answer that too. And like, very quickly. That's the one of the greatest highlight over in designer.
yeah, for me, it matters that, when a student joins, they're not joining us only for, sitting in the situation test or the CAT and GAT test, and then we forget about them. It's important for me that I'm a part of the journey till the kid gets into NIFT, because that is where I feel you need the maximum support, because that's where you have the confusions of making your combinations of colleges, making your combinations of the courses that are there. You feel lost. You have questions about which center is good, which center is not good. You have questions about if this department doesn't come in, what do I do? And I wanted to make sure that, that process, we are there till the end. So, yeah, I think we did like 7 counseling calls with all of you. In fact, I also went ahead and helped a lot of students who are not a part of Designer Shala, but they were like, and they had been a part of Designer Shala in the previous years. Yeah, but then they went to some other coaching academy. And these, of course, other coaching academies, a lot of times, you don't, because there are thousands of kids, so you don't have the time or also to like focus on each kid. You just want to get the new kids now, and you focus on the top 10 rank holders and unke videos bana diye, dal diya, and then let's move on to the next chapter. बट हाँ यार, मेरे लिए ज़रूरी है तुम सबका हो। अगर तुम सबका नहीं होता है तो मैं डिसअपॉइंट हो जाती हूँ खुद से। But I am so happy to hear that these are all the things that helped you. You've explained the process quite well. I remember the design marathon very well. I remember we were sitting like 4 hours, 5 hours in the night, और हम बैठ के drawing कर रहे थे, and we were solving questions and understanding different techniques. We also do a lot of guest sessions. Did you benefit out of the guest mentor calls that we did? I think we did about 12 or 13 last year.
Yeah, the guest lectures also helped us really a lot because like learning from different persons, it's different, right? So that also helped, and also we also got an interaction from the seniors or alumni of NEF that session because they are living the dream life which we want to be there. So
Yeah.
it's like really awesome. On that period of time when everyone is feeling low, they just show up and they'll be like sharing each and everything about NIFT. It's like, okay, that's motivation is enough for to study for now.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, only when you see people who are ahead of you, you get motivated to
Yeah.
work harder to get there, which is nice. So tell me something. You had taken a drop year when you were preparing for the NIFT entrances, and you had signed up for the 1 year program with us. While you were training with us in that 1 year, what is something extra that you did on the side other than the
Hmm.
worksheets and the problem solving and the tests and all of that was happening on the side? What is something additionally that you did to practice better?
So the first thing was like for cat, I used to practice a lot, like the basic line drawings every day, like the straight lines, the circles, the horizontal and vertical lines.
Mm,
And then I'll be drawing some objects, not on a regular basis, but some objects.
mm,
And then the main part is solving previous year papers. Because I'm not that much an artist, drawing from your imagination is kind of hard for me.
mm.
But I just enhance my skills by practicing it. I won't say daily, but regularly.
Which is
That,
very nice. Which is very nice.
yeah,
And I think consistency any day overpowers talent. You
yeah,
may be talented, but if you're not consistently practicing, it doesn't add up. And at the end of the day, you're supposed to be able to put your ideas on paper.
yeah.
Hmm, which is nice to know. Which is nice to know. Did you read the newspaper or like follow because your GAT score was pretty decent? So,
Yeah, for GAT, I was following some websites like for GK, but still I just managed to cover before 2 months. Like, if the exam is on February, I would be covering like December and January. I
hmm.
did that, and the main strength for me is the aptitude part and English part because the aptitude marks I really love that. I just timed myself and just literally, I think per day I did like two mock tests.
And how many
For
days before the exam were you doing this?
when I took a drop year, it was around June or July I started.
Wow. So from June until January, February, you were solving two papers.
Yeah, so maths, like aptitude and English and reasoning became my strongest part.
Hmm.
For English and vocabulary, I started to read novels. And also, a trick is that I used to solve previous year paper. Lots of repeated questions. I saw lots of repeated questions. Like, and also I just used a guide for GAT, and it was really helpful. Apart from designer Shala resources, it was really helpful.
Was it Arihant?
Yeah, Aryan guide.
Arihant is something I recommend to everybody in the world. Like, it is a no-brainer, hands down, and it's very, very helpful for sure. Lovely, awesome. So now that we have spoken about your preparations and how you went about with the entire examination and all of that, what was your emotion when you got into NIFT Chennai and your, seat came through? What was your family's reaction that, oh God, she's finally going to NIFT Chennai?
I got KD and Chennai in the final round of counseling. That is the spot round. I can still remember. I'm still getting goosebumps because choosing a career in fashion, no one literally supports us because it's really hard for me to even convince my parents. So looking back, all the struggles which I endured, it was like I was literally crying for like 10 minutes. After 2 days, when I was going for verification, that was the first day when I went to college. So I was like, okay, finally I can't able to register that I'm finally there. And literally I started crying when I reached the campus.
Oh my God, I'm so touched to know that. You mentioned, Idaya, that there are songs in regional languages around NIFT Chennai. Can you tell me one of the songs?
Yeah, it's like Kannamma. It's from the movie Sped Rajamum Idayaranyam. It's a Tamil movie. And it's like, it's that whole song is was shoot in the campus, NIFT Chennai campus.
Wow. Oh,
Because the heroine is a fashion designer. So, like, after saying that song, I just wanted to go there.
wow, love that, love that. And how does it feel now you've almost completed a month on campus? How does it feel to be living that dream?
It's really awesome because can't able to describe that in words. It was around like 5 years or 6 years of dream, manifesting daily. I used to see that video song daily on a daily basis to manifest that same thing because imagining a dream and clearing and getting into that dream really feels, and without you, I'm mentioning it again and again, without you it's literally not possible because yeah, the best decision I have ever made. And also I think I was on your story on the first day, I guess. Lots of people asked me like, are you from Designer Shala? I have seen your photo Dee has posted. I was like, yeah, that's me. Everyone was like, there is a separate tag for Designer Shala.
Oh my God, I did not know we're becoming such a brand with Niftians.
Yeah, I was surprised when one of my friend came to me and said, Designer Shala. You know what? I was planning to join Designer Shala, but unfortunately I couldn't. I was like, I did. I was like really happy. And
Wow.
also the friends I made in Designer Shala. It's just awesome. I'm really feeling that me and my friend, which I made in designer shala, were not together because she is in NIFT Kolkata and I'm in NIFT Chennai. She is from the north and I'm from the south. But yeah, the friendship, the person we met in designer shala is like a home for me. Home and home because we are attending the online classes now.
Absolutely. You are. It is home and home.
Yeah, awesome. The faculties over there, everyone is like literally chill and cool. It's awesome. And the design thinking skill. It was like when I joined the first class, it's like, okay, now I'm feeling like a designer because that's what we have to do as a designer.
I think I take pride in the fact that मुझे चाहिए होता है that my kids already start thinking like designers, right? From 11th grade, 12th grade, before you enter design school. In fact, I was at the NIFT Bombay campus very recently. It was a proud moment because my faculties were telling me this that, designer shala students, we don't have to make an effort even in college because they are overachievers through and through. एंड दे आर ऑलरेडी परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल उन पे मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ता है बच्चे अलग दिख जाते हैं सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ दीज क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग एंड डिजाइन थिंकिंग रियली डज हेल्प and you'll see it as the classes progress you will see it with your college as well.
And also another point I want to mention, I'm in NIFT Chennai Girls Hostel. That's a proud thing. I want to mention it here. You know, doing this with you, it's like a dream for me for the past 2 years. I really wanted to do that. Finally, I'm in.
Happy, and I'm so glad that now you get to be on the other side where you're on the channel and you will be inspiring young kids to pursue a career in design. And you'll be probably also inspiring people to go watch that movie which is featuring NIFT Chennai.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so that video probably we'll put it here somewhere in the podcast as well so that people can find a link for it and go
Yeah,
watch it
sure.
and manifest it.
Yeah, sure. Because I have been doing that for literally 5 years. So
Wow,
yeah.
it has come true. So I am very, very happy for you, Vidhaya. Thank you so much for doing this podcast with me. This is for sure going to inspire a lot of young kids who want to pursue design. And I am so proud of you. And make me proud, even
Yeah,
while you're in
sure.
Chennai. Do well.
Yeah, sure. I'll be having that thing like I'm Shivangi, these students, and I'll definitely make her proud. Don't worry. I'll be
100%.
texting you, pestering you up with my messages.
Always here. Once you are a part of the family, you're a part of the family. I am always here for all my bachas.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dee, once again. Like, if you're not there, I won't be here. Like, thank you so much.
Thank you, Vidaya. That is very, very sweet. And I hope your father and your mother are always going to be just as proud of you as they are, I'm sure, after you getting into this dream and living this dream college life.
Yeah, definitely, Dee.
All right. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dee. Bye bye.